So we just got to Ayutthaya. We were actually called Ayutthaya back then. But here's the first site. It's like a roundabout. And then now we're going to the temple that we're driving past. We're gonna go respect the Buddha right here. 1 candle and 3 incense, and then 1 lotus. You light up the incense, and you let it lit up. Take it out, and you light up the candle, and you're good. Ooh, I got candle wax on my hand. That hurt. And then you put the candle right here. Drip a little wax in it. It falls through. How did it fall on my hand so easily, but it won't fall here?
Put a lotus right here, right?
Yes. Okay, so put a little candle wax. That was a fail. Try again. Okay. Now it just sticks. Alright. Now the candle's there. And you put incense right here. Then you put the lotus right here. And then you sit right here. Then you bow 3 times. So we're gonna do that. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. The closer you get to the temple, the more beautiful. Wow. History. This is history. Older than your mama, your daddy, and your granddaddy. Interesting, I just saw this. You see that little hole right there? The bird just flew into it. So I'm guessing the bird's staying there for a while.
They moved it out maybe to a little birdhouse.
Yeah. And there are Buddhas all over the temple. Just all around. These steps, they just did it. Brand new steps. I'm gonna stay right here. I wanna stay right here. Shades. We gotta get water too, man. View from up top. Grass well cut. That's what happened when you stand in the shade in Thailand. You feel like you're in the AC room, bro. We've gotten all the way to the top, and we came inside the temple. Bunch of Buddhas inside. There's a cut right here that goes all the way down. I guess people try to shoot money inside the bucket, but I don't. You have coins?
Yeah, I have one and I made it.
We're gonna put some coins in there.
You ain't making me do a liar.
No,
Liar.
no, I'm not right.
I knew it. Before. That sucks. Let me get one.
It's time to hit another temple. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven first to get a cold towel because it's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. You can feel the sweat on your back, your nuts if you have it, your legs, your kneecap, back of your kneecaps, your palms, your fingertips. God, dog.
Yesterday I lost 500 baht because
I lost 500 pounds.
We just got done eating at Korea Bao. Korea Bao.
Boa.
Yeah, boa.
Damn, this nigga.
Not yeah, boa. B-A-O.
Like that constrictor.
Chat. B-A-O. And I wasn't that hungry, so I just ate the fried chicken. And even the fried chicken wasn't so good. I mean, it wasn't good, period. It was just like skinny little pieces of almost bone. Like there's no meat on there. And then the fried rice,
It's basically like
she ate.
after. Go ahead.
And then the fried rice she ate. What did you think of it, Beth? That's how bad it is. She didn't even want to talk about it. We're gonna go to another temple. Wat chai watana lam.
That motherfucker got every letter of the English dictionary in it.
Anyways, I'll see you guys there. Peace! Talking about food. Food in Thailand, I think the best food in Thailand I've ever had in general are the street vendors. They make
Hands down.
Thailand. They make Thai food
Hands down.
amazing.
Hands down.
There's no, like, you can't just go to an expensive restaurant. Now, in certain cases, there are some expensive restaurants that are good, but
Nothing beats street food.
at the end of the day, yes, nothing beats street food. Even the some Michelin star restaurant, they're charging 300 baht for pad thai. Right, baby. 300 baht for pad thai. It's not even as good as pad thai you can get for 90 baht or even less.
On the streets.
So we're gonna go test some food, try some food, even more food around here. But next restaurant we're gonna stop at is not a restaurant that they put flyer in front of your car while you're inside the temple. We're just gonna go try some street food. Anyways, we're going to the temple, so see you guys there. Beach is high.
I want to.
We're at one of the temple in Ayutthaya. They're blocking people entrance. They don't let people in anymore. I guess a lot of people destroyed the architecture, and this is ancient art, so they're trying to preserve it. Yes, they're trying to preserve it as much as possible.
Become one of the new 7 wonders.
Anyways, we're going to go get some Thai, traditional Thai outfit on, and then take some pictures. Should be fun. Getting our hair done. This guy.
Obviously the best looking guy.
Come on,
I
bro.
got that drip. Watch out. I need the
Look
mom
at
out
those
here.
socks.
Hey man. Hey, it wasn't part of the outfit, dog.
Ready for pictures? Uh-huh. This one, fancy ass glasses. Look at her outfit though.
But I got the Vans on though. They look like sneakers.
Going back to the Asian times. I just asked where my camera is, but I was holding it the whole time.
And so it begins, the photos.
Damn, dude. It's so amazing to take in. Wow. Look at this. The cloisters are 2 layers of bricks wall around the main pagoda. Okay, y'all can read yourself. Pause the video.
Covering the corridor.
Pause the video and read it. That we have educated ourselves. We can go look at the architecture. A bit off the beaten path. It's on the way to Ayutthaya temple. It's more open. As you can see, it's like sinking in somewhat. The structure is not perfect. all the broken structures over there. Not so good. Probably used to be one of those thing that stood up, but then it fell down.
What's that stood up?
The temple with the peak caving in. It's like it's almost folding. Look at it. Interesting. Maybe that used to be a pool, like a bath pool. Wat Paduk Song Tham, past Ayutthaya water market. There's no entry fee of any kind. Bring your mama, bring your grandma, bring your daddy, bring your girlfriend, bring everybody. Everybody! It's free. And then you can go to the market, which we're about to go. So see you there. Made our way into water market, Ayutthaya. They try and charge us 200 baht to get into the floating market. We said nah. And bought some roti, sweet roti, which is well known in this town, so everyone should try it. They're everywhere. Beaches like to play with ding dong.
Come on, man. That's on a kid's head.
Come on, bro. Look at that cute dog, though. So cute. We go eat noodles. One plate of noodles, 15 baht, which is about 40 cents, maybe 50 cents. This is 15 baht. This is 30 baht. 15 baht, 30 baht. 15 baht, 30 baht. Some fish sauce in this bit. A little bit. Okay. And there's some orange looking thing. You just eat it. Just eat it. Like any other food.
It's so good you don't need nothing else. What's this?
You can probably eat up like 10 of these and you won't even be broke. Delicious. What do you think, baby? Okay, that's it. What do you think?
The way you can know when food is good in Thailand is if you walk in there, the place can't have AC. If it has AC, it's discontinued. It's not gonna be good. Now if it don't got no AC, come on, man. It don't get no better than this.
Those noodles were mad spicy, but so delicious. And it was 180 baht for 2 people. So you can't beat for, well, I forgot to count Beatrice in, sorry, dude. 3 people. The spice took over, I couldn't think. But anyway, it's time to go back to Bangkok. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you spend your life watching it, the time you'll never get back. Yeah, see you later. Doraemon.